Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kylie. Subscribe and hit beans for more updates. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and save it. Welcome to leave your thought or question in comment. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Now let's get started. Today we are diving into one of the most asked questions by RV travelers. How many solar panels do you actually need to run an RV air conditioner? You may think, I have got a solar panel, shouldn't that cover everything? Let's break it down and have you figure it out step by step. First, let's talk about what a portable RV AC actually is. A portable RV air conditioner is small, quiet, and doesn't need lots of space. Perfect for RVs, chairs, and even caverns. It's been tested in some of the hottest places on Earth and still delivers cool, steady airflow. Okay, now that we know what it is, let's look at how it works. The process is simple yet smart. It uses refrigerant gas, a container, and an air reporter to cool down the air. It turns hot air into cool air, so you can enjoy in comfort on the road. Which brings us to the key question, can solar panel really cool your RV air conditioner? Yes, let's do some quick math. Say your AC unit runs at 1500 watts and you want to use it for 8 hours a day. That is 12,000 watt hours. You will need to run 1,800 watts of solar panel output. If you are using 200 panels, you will need about 8 to 10 panels to meet that requirement. But here's the good news. With Sungold's high-power 4x 100 watt solar panels, you will need around 4 or 5 panels to get the same result. But here, solar panel alone aren't enough. To run your RV AC smoothly, you will also need a reliable battery bank, a solar charge controller, and a good inverter. The charge controller keeps your batteries from overcharging, and the inverter think of it as a translate. Solar panels and batteries give you one kind of electric, called DC or direct current. But your air conditioner needs a different kind, AC or alternating current, just like what you use at home. So the inverter steps in and converts the power into something your AC can understand and use. Result is, the solar system can power the air conditioner. Sounds like a lot. So how much are the cost? Well, a full solar AC system, including panels, inverter, charge controller, and batteries, will cost you around $1,000 to $3,000. But think of it as an investment. You will save on campground power fee and reduce your environmental footprint. And that brings us the best part, the benefit of going solar with your RV AC. First, you get total freedom, cool air anytime, anywhere. Second, it's silent, unlike noisy generator. Third, you are using clean energy, better for the balance. Fourth, with enough sun, you can stay off-grid all summer long. Before wrap up, a few quick tips. First, the type of balance. Monocrystalline are more efficient, but cost more. Polycrystalline ones are cheaper and still work fine in sunny areas. Second, the sunlight at your campsite. More sun means fewer panels needs. Third, don't forget the battery system. These batteries are the best. They charge faster and last long. You will also need a charge controller and an inverter to keep everything running safely. If you want to add more drivers, leave room for updates. And finally, safety. Use fluids, circuit breaker, and check your wiring regularly. Bad wiring can lead to big trouble. Okay, to sum up, to power your RV AC with solar, aim for 1,800 watt total output. That's about 4 to 5 of our Sungold's 400 watt panels, plus batteries, inverter, and a charge controller. And once it's all said done, you are ready for the road whenever the sun takes you. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like these camp channels, Please remember to like and subscribe our channels. We will regularly publish more knowledge and content about our solar products. See you next time.